Friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to unbox a Coolpad Mega 3 which I've got for 6,000 rupees from a store. Now previously it was available online, but now it's also available on stores. I've already unboxed it once on the store, but still I'm going to show you. This original MRP is 8,000. So let's just if I first we remove the box and we'll find the mobile here. Let me keep it aside. Then a lamination skin, then some documents as manual guide and all. There we'll find one earphone. It's the whole pad here, you can see a USB cable and a USB adapter. Here you can see the adapter. Let me just keep all these things aside. Here is the smartphone. I have got this golden and white color. It contains 3 SIM slots and does not have a hybrid SIM tray. Let me just open its back cover, replacement cover, that is. Here the battery is already fixed. Here you can find 1, 2 and 3 SIM slots, and here is the battery. So let me just show you its physical appearance. Here you can see here is the front camera, sensors and this mic. On the left side of the phone you will find the volume key up down button. Here is it. On the right hand side you will find the power on and off button. On the top side of the phone you will find a earphone jack, and at the bottom you will find a charging port. So here are the speakers at the back. Here is the camera. It has 8 megapixel front facing and rear camera with autofocus, and here is the flashlight. I have already turned on it once. Let me just show you this again. It vibrates when you on. You can see Coolpad powered by Android. According to me, this set is very good, as the price of this phone is very less and gives you the most features. Does not contain any fingerprint option, so you need to set password for this for your security. The screen size is 5.5 inches. And here you can see the phone. The touch is very much smooth. And let's go to settings, about phone. It contains 6.0 Marshmallow. The RAM is 2 GB and the internal memory is 16 GB. If you take my opinion, this set is actually very good according to its price, and you must go for it if you are planning to buy it, a set under this range. So on Amazon it is also available for 6,000 rupees. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you so much guys.